AdventHealth ignites youth interest in healthcare careers with interactive exhibit at global event.
AdventHealth introduced a new 11,000 square foot exhibit to inspire youth in healthcare careers. It debuted at the International Pathfinder Camporee in Wyoming. The exhibit includes hands-on experiences like simulation labs, where attendees can perform medical procedures. Augmented reality stations show what it's like to work in healthcare. Custom video games highlight teamwork and various roles in the field. Music and visual elements, like the wholeness sphere, emphasize unity. AdventHealth hopes to show that careers go beyond doctors and nurses, investing in the future workforce. AdventHealth's initiative is part of a broader strategy to address the growing need for a skilled healthcare workforce. By engaging youth early, it aims to attract diverse talent into the field. Participants' heartbeats to rhythms, emphasizing the teamwork essential in healthcare environments. At the Camporee, 60,000 attendees explored these interactive exhibits. Teens experienced simulation labs where they could practice medical procedures in a controlled environment. Augmented reality gave them a first-hand look at various healthcare roles, while custom video games taught the importance of collaboration in both medical and business settings. A unique musical experience connected participants' heartbeats to rhythms, emphasizing the teamwork essential in healthcare environments. AdventHealth also focuses on showing how healthcare can be a path of service. By introducing young people to healthcare careers, they hope to inspire a sense of purpose. The goal is to highlight that everyone has a role in healthcare, whether it's in technology, administration, or patient care. The exhibit encourages youth to explore different fields and discover how their unique skills can be used.
What a fantastic effort by AdventHealth to inspire the next generation and reveal the diverse possibilities in healthcare.